What's cracking, blood? Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a tut. I don't know. Oh, like I need to stay back because my eyebrows need to be done. So I'm gonna stay like right here. I've done my eyebrows a total of 3 times, and I literally want to rip my eyebrows off my face and mail them to Ted Bundy. Literally that pissed. So I'm gonna go try to do them for the 4th or 3rd time. I can't even remember. Shit's giving me amnesia. Anyway, I'm gonna go do my brows again. They still look like trash. We're gonna work with them. So I'm gonna start with this bad boy. I don't know if it's discontinued or not. If it is, sucks to suck. I'm trying a different, okay, love when my eyeshadow base creases. I'm trying a diff technique. I don't know, the way I'm currently doing my eyeshadow is like not my favorite. So I saw this on Instagram. I've been seeing this on Instagram, matter of fact. It's where you pack. I don't know why it's coming off so freaking patchy, but it's where you like pack the eyeshadow and then blend. This is patchy. Mad patch. I'm gonna smaller sister brush. 506, and I'm gonna, yeah, love being a beauty girl. First of all, wow, the pigment. Let's just talk about how much God doesn't want me to start driving. First, it was my mom absolutely refused to take me anytime and every time I asked. I don't know why. I don't know if it was because she was scared, because she didn't want to. Don't know. But then we got into a little argument about it, and then she finally decided, let me take her driving so this bitch can shut up. And we finally go driving, except she didn't take me driving. She had my sister take me driving. Tell me why the car breaks down. Please, someone please tell me why. The whole car breaks down. Finally I get to start driving. Finally there's hope that I'm gonna get my license soon. And then the motherfucking car breaks down. Like, obviously I'm literally like, I have the worst luck. I don't really like this setup. Should I do this tutorial in the dark, or is that sketch? I'm gonna do this in the dark. What the frick? And then I'm gonna like, oh no, we're not gonna, oh, okay, like make it warmer, like right there, like, yeah, like that. Is that literally the same thing it was before? Who knows? I'm gonna go in with these 2 shades, those babies. Oh my god, I don't know how to work a ring light. Wow, this brush is really big, so I don't know if I'm gonna mess it up by using this brush, but we finna try. This brush is huge, and I'm just gonna, oh my gosh, this brush is huge. I'm gonna buff out carefully the edges. This brush is so good. It's like blending everything so easily. Okay, so tell me why. I was in advanced composition, which is a class, like an advanced English course basically. I was in the class for a whole 3 days and instantly decided that a girl needs to yeet, like, quick. This teacher really goes, there's gonna be 6 hours of homework per week. I was like, pause. I'm sorry. Must have not heard correctly or something. Like, what do you mean? Only 6 hours a week? Like, what do you mean, sister? I was like, Ma, you gotta bail me out, sis. You gotta help a sister out. I can't do this. I have my SATs, I got my license, I got a job that I need. Like, I can't do no 6 hours of homework. And then to make matters like worse, we don't even have like a computer that fully correctly functions. Like, so I'm not gonna sit there struggling with the computer and have those 6 hours of homework turn into like 12 hours of homework. So she actually does come. She doesn't, oh my god, Charlie Mags, subscribe to me. Thank you so much, baby, if you're watching this. I love you. What was I saying? I have a short attention span. So we finally get to the counselor's office together, and we're gonna change my schedule. By the way, I could have changed my schedule on my own, but sister wanted to make sure, because it's like not the same as going from a higher class to like a higher class, or going from like a low class to a high class. It's like a sister is gonna go from like the highest to lower, and like I felt like the school's gonna make a big old deal about it. So I was like, Mom, come through, help a sister out. Arizona's actually the shittiest state to ever be. There's literally like a million students and like 5 teachers. We need more teachers, so they need to have this raise come in, because I'm not about to be in a class with 40 students. Like, that's what it was like. Basically, I couldn't change out because it was gonna mess up my whole schedule if I changed out, and they already changed my schedule because there were so many kids and I couldn't fit in specific class. So they had me do one schedule for a full week, then they changed my schedule, which that pissed me off because I liked my schedule and I didn't want to be changed out, but they ruined it for me. This periwinkle shade is so pretty in this palette, by the way. Anyway, I haven't done like an actual blue ass look in a quick min, and it's really not turning out good. I forgot how hard blue eyeshadows can be to blend. I don't need your opinion. I was thinking that I was gonna do like a playlist video, because I'm tired of like just doing makeup. Like, I want to do like a playlist vids, like different vids every now and then. Why am I literally dumb? It looks so much better in this lighting. I'm gonna use the Moon River Blue glitter from, honestly, they have to figure this out, because like I don't even get the whole glitter my world bulk glitter thing that's going on. Like, I don't understand, but I got this from that website, one of those websites. You know what, try glitter my world. I'm making this too complicated. Then I'm going to take the glitter primer, glitter glue, whatever, like, chill. Don't come for me because I called it a glitter glue. Okay, I said this periwinkle shade right here is really pretty, but it's actually kind of patchy and I'm sad. I honestly need a new palette. Like, I don't have a palette with good blues. Like, there's the Take Me Back to Brazil, but that doesn't go deep enough for me. I like to go really deep with my eyeshadows. Like, I want to be able to do like have a blue shadow that's basically black. This is not going to be precise because I'm literally going nowhere. I'm just being stupid and putting on makeup for absolutely no reason. I feel like my retina was just split in half. I mean, it's definitely not the worst, but it's not the best. To be honest, every look looks way better with like face makeup and lashes and all that, so let me not judge it too quick. I'm gonna do my other eye off camera and I'm gonna be right back. She's azul, she's feeling blue, she's feeling down in the dump. Okay, let me shut up. Okay, we're gonna do the face. I bought a few different face things today. I bought the butter bronzer, but I'm scared this is not gonna like be dark enough. Also, I smelt it and it smells like coconuts, and I literally hate coconuts. It smells good though, but I don't like coconuts. Also, it came with this. But this is literally foam, so I don't know what they thought was gonna happen with this, but when do I ever do a look that I'm like, damn, sis really did that? Like, honestly, when? Never. It just never happens anymore. Let's just do the face makeup though. I'm gonna do a little spritz because your sister needs some hydration. Oh my god, that reminds me, today I went to Food City. If you don't have Food City where you are, you suck. Literally, you're missing out. But I went to Food City, which is like a Mexican market basically, and I bought like a tea, and this tea was expensive. It was like $5. It was like a pineapple peach tea, and I was like, oh my god, let me get this. It was like a healthier tea, but it was supposed to like taste good and everything, so I got it. And then I opened it and it ended up tasting like garbage, so I was like, no big deal, right? Like, when I get home I can just put some sweet and lower some sugar in it and call it a day. So I went home and I put a package of sweetened, like one package of, not even sweet and low, like just sugar, because sweet and low gives you cancer. Literally, the drink exploded. The drink literally exploded. Literally have rosacea. The drink exploded all over the place. I don't know what it was, but it shocked me. Like, this isn't science, so I was confused. I cut a lot of parts out, so I didn't show me blending out my foundation, but I'm gonna use some of the Makeup Revolution concealer. I got the wrong shade. Like, this shade is literally, as you can see, my skin tone. So what I'm gonna do is just put it where I need some extra cover. I need to cover that stash because I got a full ass mustache. I have a whole ass mustache. I'm gonna take the staple and highlight with it. Oh my god, the other day I had a fat ass pimple on my nose. If you don't look like a crack whore, you're doing it wrong. Please tell me that this is the cutest packaging you've ever seen. Literally look at it. Look at it, sis. Are you kidding? Green and yellow and purple. Are you kidding? A little tropical forest bronzer. Are you kidding? This thing is like a freaking air freshener. I'm scared. Will that bronze me? I don't want the bronzer that's already on this brush to counteract with this bronzer right here. I'm gonna take hella. I really hope this works. I've wanted this bronzer for so long, but they don't make deep enough shades. I'm gonna come with the face back bronze. I don't know if it's working or not. I can't really tell, but BRB, and y'all can tell me in the comments if my face is actually bronzed or not, because obviously don't know how to do my own makeup. ColourPop highlighters are so good. The thing with ColourPop highlighters though is like brushes, they don't work as well as your fingers. Okay, I guess that was basically the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see this face again. Yeah, like this video, please. If you like this video, you have my heart and my soul. Sorry for the lips, by the way, they look really ugly. This look is like really like not that good. Anyway, I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye.